Greetings everyone, welcome to our channel DCNE Tech Talk. I'm Vinda, Research Engineer for DCNE Engineering. This video is continuation of our previous video, Premium Copper Solution for Commercial Buildings. So today let's look at the accessories used with copper cables. Usually the widely used accessories are patch panel, cable management panel, patch cords, keystones and faceplates. Let me take you to each accessories one by one. First let's look at the copper patch panel. We have loaded and unloaded, shaded and unshaded patch panel ranging from Cat 5e, Cat 6 to Cat 6a. Also there is 24 port and 48 port loaded and unloaded patch panels. Then we have a space saving 0.5 U 24 port patch panel and copper and fiber optic patch panel. We also have the indicator patch panel, which we will be sharing more information with you on another video. Let's move on to the cable management panel. I believe most of you are familiar with this already. It's purely used for cable management, neatening and safeguard patch cords. The most widely used management panel is duct type middle cable management panel. This is available in 1 rack height, but the special about this cable management panel is that it is middle construction, make it easy to manage copper patch cords. What you see on the image it will be G-type management panel. It's suitable for manage power cord for rack equipment and also for fiber optic patch cords. So we will meet you again in another video with accessories in commercial building. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.